Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I like to colour. Today I just wanted to do a quick flip through of this book that I got. I saw it. It's not really the type of book that I would normally buy, adult colouring book, but I saw it and I flicked through it and I was feeling sad and it made me feel happy. So I thought I would show all of you. You may all have it, I don't know. It was $27, so wasn't a cheap one, which is a little annoying, but it's different. And I'm not huge on the Japanese style colouring, but I don't know, there's just I don't know, it just seemed cute to me. You know, she's got trees for hair, fox with tentacles, you know, as you do, you know, because foxes in Australia have tentacles. There's these little bird wings for hair, and the exciting thing is the background. Even though that looks like a pretty something I'm not going to mention. that's not a great background, but this one here, the background is already done. It's done. I just colour the stars in and maybe colour in behind the stars and colour her in, and it's done. I don't have to think a great deal. But yeah, these ones here, I think they're supposed to be feathers. Yeah, they are feathers. Whoever drew this, they don't look like feathers. For a perverted mind like mine, they do not look like feathers. See, more stars in the background. No background. Little cat eating ice cream. No background. I'll stop with the background. A filler page. We all know how I feel about filler pages. Well, this one here, you know, she's just sitting there with her weird helmet on. I don't know what that is supposed to be. A steampunk scuba diving helmet. Oh, butterflies. Oh, that's awesome. I love butterflies. Really love butterflies. They're my favorite thing to colour. I love butterflies. Oh my god. Oh, I'm crazy. See, look, a cute little chicken. A cute little chicken with a cute little hat. Oh, she's melting. Melting under the pressure. Aren't we all? We're all melting. Yeah, little angel one. And see, all you have to do with that background is just mainly colour it blue. She's got these bubbles going. Or snow, could be snow. It's just mainly faces in this one, but they're different. You know, like that one's got antlers, because you know, I don't really see a lot of people walking around with antlers, but we've got another scuba diving thing with scissors, because you know, when you go scuba diving you need your scissors. Got to cut those fish. Oh, look, a metal bird. Actually, that would be fun to do, that page. Do metallic like fish and metallic bird, like a steampunk kind of page. That I'm laughing at the page, but I actually like the page. Like a little hook to grab things. Somebody annoys you. Oh, that would actually be a really handy helmet to have. If somebody starts annoying you from behind you, you could just get your little hand and grab them around the neck. I want that helmet, just saying. Anybody makes that helmet, I'll buy that helmet. Depending on how much it costs. And the fact I don't want to go to jail. So no, I won't buy that helmet, but I'll watch someone else use that helmet. And I won't say anything. Promise. Promise. We got demon-eyed kids. I think they are, because they got horns. That's actually really cool. You would do them with demon eyes. I don't know why they got stars. You think they'd have something else behind them, but I don't know what. Maybe sickles or something. What's a sickle? Scythe. Scythe, not sickles. And you know, our favourite pet here in Australia, the crocodile. You know, I've got 3 in the backyard that, you know, just, you know, eat anyone that comes to visit. If someone comes knocking on your door, send the croc to meet them. Why not? And a butterfly. And that looks like a really, really heavy helmet. But it looks like a gun. Oh my God. I want one. I want one. Can you imagine? Somebody starts talking when you just don't want them to, and you just go, boo, 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 boo. Oh, sorry, it was my hat. Oh my God, I want that hat. I want that hat so bad. And these ones are weird. It's weird. I can't even figure out what that one is. She's like a big bird with a platypus. We're getting our countries mixed up here because platypi are Australian. What's that? Is that like a pelican? It's different. I'll give it that. That's why I picked this book, because it's different. And that's why I was willing to pay $27 for it, because it's different. And, you know, our favourite pastime here is slaughtering unicorns. I do it all the time. You know, I slaughtered one just the other day. I don't know what this person was thinking when they made this book, but I actually really like it. This one here has a background, unfortunately, but at least it has lines. And she's killed. Oh, you evil. Oh no, she's crying. She's crying. Somebody has killed her dragon. This chick here, who slaughtered the unicorn, I would not put it past her to kill a dragon. You evil person. I love dragons. I feel your pain. I'm not colouring in that page, that's too sad. Oh wow, kind of like Groot. And we're enjoying our big ice creams. They seem to like their ice creams, don't they? Oh, I feel a page. It's the strawberries. I don't mind colouring in strawberries. Oh, fish. Are they fish scales? Yeah, tentacles. Fish tentacle girl. And she looks like a flower petal girl, crying. I actually love trying to figure out what they're trying to say, because they're trying to say something. Because if I was an artist, if I was doing pictures, I would be trying to say something with my pictures. Like, she's a sad mermaid tentacle girl. I'd be sad too if I had tentacles, got to be honest. I like my hands, I do. Tentacles would just be sticky and squishy. I don't like sticky and squishy. I don't know why she'd be sad being a flower. Anyway, another brain-sucking machine. Oh, and a fish-sucking brain. A brain-sucking fish. Different. He's trying to eat her. We've got some, definitely got some unique robot-y things in this. It's actually, I like it. Oh, we've fallen in love with a robot, because that's going to be a happy ending, that one. Another robot. Oh, she's still in love with him, and he's taking the flowers. I like their little helmets thingies. Yeah, a tiger. That's a cool mushroom. All these little toys, like a little person. Oh, with snails. That's sweet. Oh, look at. I was going to say a hippo. Our little hamster. I love hippos. Hippos are so cute. I wouldn't want to meet one, but they're really cute. That's. I am looking forward to colouring in some of these pages, mainly because there's a lot of faces, but because it's kind of different, kind of fantasy. It's not abstract. It's surreal. No, I can't think of the word. I can never think of the word. Words elude me. But see the background. You got petals, I think. I'm calling them petals, and it's done. Another filler page. That one's not the greatest. That looks like something my 11-year-old could do. These sitting on a narwhal. These are, I do like these. See, it's different. It's just different, and that's why I got it. And I know I've said it, and I'll say it again. It's different. And we're mermaid and merman. merman, and tentacle girls. I've got to be honest, I'd rather be the mermaid than the squid girl. That doesn't look fun. It actually looks quite complicated, you know, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Yeah. They're alright. They're interesting. I don't know, teddy. She's sewing a teddy. They're interesting. Oh, look at all those moths. Oh God, are they moths? They are moths. You know, one of the creatures I hate most I don't hate, I'm scared of, is moths, because they just go psycho crazy and they touch you and they leave all this dirt on you, and I don't like moths. Moths. Somebody likes squids in this one, octopus. I call them squids. I think they're octopi. I don't know. Another melting one. See, the majority of them are actually unique. Oh, great. Giant moths, giant butterflies. So the majority of them are actually quite unique and interesting, and I just really like it. So it's by Camilla Derico. I say names really bad. I do apologise. And yeah, I got this from an Australian shop, QBD. It's not very often my QBD has interesting different books, and I saw this one, and after what's happened this last week, I just needed something to make me smile. So I hope this book makes you smile too. And I will have a silent flip through if you don't want to hear my commentary, because I can be a bit of a smarty pants sometimes. And I'm in the mood for being smarty pants because I've had a pretty bad week. Anyway, I hope you like this video. I will be colouring more. I've just had, like I said, I've had a pretty bad week, so I've had about 10 days off from colouring because I just couldn't do it. But I'm hoping this week to get started again and do colouring and do what makes me happy so that I can get through what I'm going through. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.